What actually are student cluster competitions? Well, imagine you're given some hardware. There's various forms of where that hardware comes from and what it looks like, depending on the competition. And you're also given scientific applications. These could be benchmarks, they could be anything like lamps or GROMACS or lots of different weather simulations, all sorts of things. It's up to the students and their undergraduate students, a team of 6, who need to set up this hardware, they need to provision it, they need to get these applications running, and they need to get them running as fast as possible. The competition is in how fast they get them running, and that's compared against other teams. This usually culminates in about a 2 to 3 day hackathon at the end, but really this is built upon months of work. It takes probably around 6 months sometimes to prepare for some of these competitions and an immense amount of admin work in the background.